How to find a faulty oxygen sensor in BMW X1 by Decatur mechanic. Oxygen sensor located inside the exhaust pipe observes the percentage of oxygen in the exhaust. O2 sensors are sending a signal to the ECU to adjust the amount of fuel entering the engine. For the smooth functioning of the engine, the O2 sensor of the BMW X1 needs to run properly. Consult with a mechanic to determine the O2 sensor problems in the BMW X1. The following points define the signs of faulty oxygen in the BMW X1. Poor fuel mileage. Oxygen sensors become less effective and cost you a huge amount of money for repair. If you notice the BMW is consuming more fuel than usual, then diagnose it by a reputed mechanic. Illuminated check engine light. When you will notice failed O2 sensor in your BMW X1, it will activate the check engine light. Consult a mechanic to get the error code of check engine light and determine the root causes behind it. Poor engine performance. Engine performance is reduced when the normal combustion process of the engine is affected. The main cause behind the reduced engine performance is failed oxygen sensor. Fail emission test. Due to the faulty oxygen sensor, your BMW X1 will also fail the emission test. Therefore, you will notice an unpleasant smell like the rotten eggs from the engine. Engine behave roughly. Thus, the failed oxygen sensor also makes the engine produce rough sounds. Reason behind is the too lean or too rich mixture of oxygen and fuel in the engine. Conclusion. When the oxygen sensor is replaced, you will get many benefits in BMW, such as make the car eco-friendly, reduce the emission of pollutants, enhance fuel mileage, increase engine performance. If you are living near Decatur, then consult a mechanic to replace the BMW X1 oxygen sensor. Thank you.